Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 69th algorithm video. In this task we are given 5 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the list represents the size of the candles. So the candle 1 has a size of 2, the candle 2 has a size of 3, the candle 3 has a size of 4. So each day the size of each candle reduces by 1 unit. We need to find the maximum number of days the room is without darkness. So this is the state of candles at day 1. At the end of day 1 it would be 1 2 3 1, 0. So at the end of day 1 the last candle has extinguished. At the end of day 2 the list would be 0, 1, 2, 0, 0. So at the end of day 2 the first candle and the second last candle have now become extinguished. At the end of day 3 it would be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So at the end of day 3 only one candle remains alight, and at the end of day 4 it would be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So that is the answer. By end of day 4 the room enters complete darkness. So now that I have explained to you what is required from this algorithm, let's make it. I would make a variable of count days. I would give it a value of 0. Then I would make use of the while loop. While I would use the built-in function of any candle greater than 0 for candle in candle length. Basically I am telling while loop that it should start iterating if any returns a true value, because any returns a boolean value, either a true or a false. So if any of the candles whose length is greater than 0, then any should return true and the while loop should continue on iterating. Once inside the while loop I would increment the count days by 1 day. Then I would make use of the for loop for I in range 0 length of candle length. Now if any of the candles length has turned to 0, then if candle length I is equal to 0, then we won't be doing anything because that candle has become extinguished. Otherwise, if the candle length has not returned to 0, then I would reduce its size by 1 unit. Once out of the while loop I would print candle lengths and I would print count days. So as you can see, the answer is that at the end of day 4 the room would enter complete darkness, because at the end of day 4 all the candles have become extinguished. Now if I change the question to include just 3 candles whose length is of 1, 1, 2. So the first candle length is of size 1, the second candle is also size 1, and the third candle is of size 2. Let's see the answer. So by end of day 2 this room would enter complete darkness. This is our result. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.